Oh, 14 minutes still? Damn, bro. I thought that was gonna be much shorter. I thought it was gonna be much, much shorter, bro. I can't be brief for the fucking life of me, dude. I tried to be brief. I'm just a long-winded person. That was a bad strategy. I should have deleted them when I saw it. I'm not a video editor, you know? I don't really have that in the bag. It's not in my bag. Okay, that's gonna do. That's gonna do. I thought I had it much briefer than that, but I guess not.
So I built a framework that I follow to this day. It's research, find new ideas, come up with a bunch of ideas, books, papers, podcasts, YouTube videos, whatever. Backtest those ideas to see if they're absolute trash. If they're trash, get them out of here, kill it. Don't even move forward. And then incubate. So you don't even see build a bot on here. Incubating is building a bot, yes, but it's with tiny size, $10 live size. Don't spend 10K like I did back in the day based off your first bot. No, $10 size. Let's see if it actually works in the future as well. Because I back tested it. I built this framework, research, back test, get rid of the trash, and then incubate. Build a bot with small size. Most ideas are going to die in the back test phase. And then some of those ideas, I'm going to do that because it's 50% off. So the top offer is 19 cents while the floor is 43 cents. And how much did I just buy those for? I just saw this guy. Okay, I bought some here for like 43 cents, 41 cents. And then right behind me, he bought from 19 cents. God damn it. I just want to get used to OpenSea, and it's pretty fire though. He bought them for half because he bid. So I just bid some, and 34 cents looks like was my lowest. 34, 41, 34, 41, 43, 38. Okay, so about 41 cents, 34 cents times. All right, sweet. So 15. The how many did I get is the question. I don't even see them here. Oh, here they are. 34, 38. Okay, so 38. I got bid for 50. Holders, offers. That's interesting though, because if Okay, that's actually an interesting idea, and I want to do it on a more serious collection because this is not a serious collection at all. It's going to zero. First off, I met a random dude in a tank top chilling who was smoking a J, and he's had all this stuff on his screen. I was like, what is that? He said, I'm an algo trader. I trade $1 billion per day. I had just got liquidated for my 30K, and I was like, I'm done with this, staying up all night, staring at the charts just to lose all my money because I'm using too much leverage. Then I met him. I was like, boom, he's a regular dude like me. I can do this too. So what I went ahead and did is I spent 6 months learning to code 4 hours a day before AI. You have AI now. Yo, is he using AI to write this? I think so. Building and deploying AI applications. The key difference between AI and non-AI applications is that the former has unpredictable outputs. When you prompt an LLM, you don't know what you'll get back. When you train a deep learning algorithm, you don't know what prediction it will make on new examples. In contrast, traditional software behaves more predictably. People who are skilled at building and deploying AI applications understand the building blocks of AI, such as LLMs, context engineer, RAG, agentic workflows, machine learning, and deep learning. And importantly, how to use statistical techniques to measure, steer, and govern AI systems so they behave more predictably. A core skill in doing so is knowing how to drive disciplined evals and error analysis loops. Software engineering fundamentals. When you deeply understand how software works, you can build much more efficiently. Engineering software requires making trade-offs between cost, scalability, reliability, speed, and more. Security and privacy add further complexity. Understanding software fundamentals allows you to recognize what trade-offs even exist. This leads to better decisions in choosing your software stack, designing system architecture, designing your data store, testing, and so on. It also leads to much better outcomes than those for an inexperienced developer who vibe codes a solution without knowing the trade-offs their coding agent is making, which will often be poor ones, because they don't know what context to give their coding agent. Understanding software engineering fundamentals lets you make good trade-offs by steering coding agents using the precise language of software engineering. So that's like a very good reason for you to actually learn how to code. 6 months, 4 hours a day. That's what it took me to learn how to code. And then I just started applying it for a year and a half, and then AI dropped. And I feel like I'm a better vibe coder because of that. Using coding agents, using agentic coding effectively is now a key skill for every developer. When you have this skill, you have a good mental model for how agents work. You understand their limitations and how to work around them, and are able to quickly steer them, knowing how much they're saying. And that's the initial reaction that I had as well. Is okay, well, they're hoping, or they know that people are going to fail. So 85% of people fail. They earn a bunch of fees, and they use those fees to pay out the other trader. And that's the Ponzi-nomics there. But a true Ponzi is just taking money from one person and giving it to the other. So that's a very good argument, and you can argue it forever. I think it just needs regulation at the end of the day. Hard times right now. Can you send me some SOL and I will triple it and send it back in trading? Dude, if I send you SOL, you'll triple it? Okay, I'm about to send you 10,000 SOL then. Can you triple it? I'll send you 10,000 SOL right now if you confirm here in the chat that you'll triple it and then send it back. So you'll send back 30,000 SOL if I send you 10,000. That is a good deal, bro.
That was fucking fire, bro. Thank you.
From you, I should be sending you the jewels.
Come on. Thank you. You came with the ideas today. Appreciate you.
We cooking.
That is amazing. I didn't know you could give gifts. That's neat. I appreciate you. That is neat. I want to look through this a bit here. Okay, let's look at the growth tracker a bit, but I also want to look through. Oh snap, I didn't get it set up yet. So what was that called? The NFT scanner. I thought I had it right here. I guess I did not. Let's put it up here though. No such file. What are you talking about? Let's say edit script here. Oh, it's because I moved it. That's why. My bad. I moved it. That's why it didn't work. Let's go to trading bots. I moved it into bots here. Under bots, yes, no. Under OpenSea, copy path.